What is it?
American arts for adults.
Oh, martial arts.
For martial arts? Fighting?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, it's martial arts. Doesn't hurt to know self-defense.
They got a couple signs up there.
Yeah.
I don't want to know.
No more hashtag booze up screenshots.
What the fuck did you do that, Lynn? Son of a bitch!
You did that to me.
What?
What
did I do to you?
Something on me makes me young. Never mind.
Oh, stop it, Lynn!
Right now, but your body's still
What's the excuse for me yawning?
I don't know what you're doing about it. You're yawning.
You did not have to hit me,
I
Lynn.
didn't hit you.
Oh, crap. Please, stop it.
I did not hit you.
Just please stop.
Stop what?
Stop
You don't hit
hitting
somebody,
me.
you don't have
Oh,
to.
crap, Lynn.
I didn't hit you, Renee.
Please, just stop it.
Don't put out no more yawning stuff for me, okay? I'll be careful. I didn't start yawning until...
Orlando's #1 hit music station, Sex Hour 67, crime Johnny's house.
I didn't go in your room, Lynn.
With
When?
a couple of studies. First, a study that said
Oh, crap.
8 millennials can't
For what?
change a light bulb.
Oh, when I changed
Write that shit.
Now a study
your
from
medicine
Alabama,
caps,
millennials
and you were right there.
Until they're 30 years old.
Please.
Newsflash, 18.
Just stop hitting me, please.
I didn't hit you.
Credit score.
I don't know where you're getting that
This
from.
kid, Kyla, one dance. Will accept 167.
I don't hit girls. Look at him now, right?
Strength and guidance, all that I'm wishing for my friends. Nobody makes it from my ends. I had to bust up the silence. You know you gotta stick by me. Soon as you see the text, reply me. I don't wanna spend time fighting.
Yeah, there I'm yawning real good.
I need a one
Real property specialist. Office warehouse, sales and lease.
I need a one dance. Got an Hennessy in my hand.
Keep your yawns to yourself, okay?
That's
all I can say. I can help you out if you can help me.
Nobody can control people's yawns,
Oh, yeah,
Lynn.
yeah. Sure. You can get anything in a bottle and do anything with it because you're best for that. So, you want to make it rough on me? Sure, make it. Okay. Where are they going? We can't cut. No, we can't. It's awful to be. You know what really kills me? You don't like to get done anything. I don't like to get done anything either.
Higher powers taking a hold on me. I need a one dance. Got a Hennessy in my hand. One more time.
I'm as good to you as I can possibly be.
Anymore. I'm begging, baby, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart, even though you told me to hurt me. You keep tearing me
Does it?
apart.
What's that say? Am I doing? No, that's wrong. That's the fact. I wonder what that is.
Why is Starbucks?
Does it look like that?
Through the night,
To you?
Yeah.
to be near you, baby.
Huh?
Tell me that I'm not crazy. I'm not asking for love. Just that you're honest with me. My five, all I got. I'm saying, baby, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart. You know you don't mean
I think she walked across the river.
you keep tearing me apart. Please have mercy on me.
Do you know? Wawa. Wonder why they named that Wawa.
Consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared
I'm moving up from this car here.
I was added to
Well, he ain't moving up.
I'm talking about that car.
It's just not there. Same thing.
Well, obviously we're not gonna make this light. Some way we can. I don't know what way.
Go back that way.
I'm gonna see if I can cut through there.
Why don't you just go back to there and just go through?
Why can't I go through here and go that way? That light is.
A lot of text today.
There,
Tell
but
mobile
that-
that's 41067
very
and
short.
6 for this one, pretty sure. I'm checking the number now. Yep, it's all Lord Diaz. What is Lord Green Light? Sound like so.
Somebody else's car.
Gotta get out of here.
We ordered different drinks at the same bar.
Let me do what I'm doing and leave me alone.
I didn't say done that, or I didn't say do that. I just said I thought you were going to go the other way.
She thinks you love the beach, you're such a damn liar.
Back the other way and through too.
Those great whites, they have big teeth. But they bite you, but you sense that you would always be in love. But you're not in love no more. Did it frighten you? How we kissed when we danced on the light of love, on the light of love. But I hear sounds in my mind. Brand new sounds in my mind. Honey, I believe in you wherever I go. Honey, I believe in you down every road. Waiting for it, that green light. Come on, honey, I look at my face. I can't let go. Waiting for it, that green light. I'll always try. Look at my face and touch my soul.
Yeah, we beat it. Look.
Yeah.
Wrong way. I see those two there. I've gone about 5 times, Renee, and it couldn't be you. Of course you know I hurt you.
Everybody yawns,
No,
Lynn.
not that much.
No fucking way. Doesn't matter if you yawn. Yawns ain't gonna hurt you.
I don't care. I don't like to do all like that. If you keep your yawns to yourself, I'll keep my elbow.
Brand new sound in my mind. But only I be seeing you wherever I go. But only I be seeing you down every road. Come on, me, I
his either. Yep.
Should get your top just in case.